Welcome to Shift Zone, your trusted space for everything cars, innovation, and the future of driving, where we break down the latest models with clear insights and real-world perspectives so you can stay ahead of the shift. The 2026 Nissan Sunny arrives as a refined evolution of one of the most dependable and widely recognized sedans in the compact segment. Known globally for its balance of affordability, efficiency, and practicality, the Sunny for 2026 takes a confident step forward by modernizing its design, enhancing comfort, and integrating smarter technology while staying true to the core values that made it a favorite among families, commuters, and fleet users. Nissan's goal with this model is not to reinvent the Sunny, but to perfect it for today's drivers who want reliability with a touch of sophistication. From the outside, the 2026 Nissan Sunny presents a cleaner and more contemporary look. The front fascia feels sharper and more assertive, with a redesigned grille that blends smoothly into slimmer headlights. These headlights give the car a wider stance and a more premium presence on the road, even though it remains a compact sedan at heart. The sculpted hood and subtle character lines along the sides add depth to the body without making it overly aggressive. At the rear, the taillights have been refreshed to appear more modern and cohesive, giving the Sunny a well-balanced profile that feels mature and polished. Step inside the 2026 Nissan Sunny, and the focus on comfort and usability becomes immediately clear. The cabin layout is straightforward yet improved, with better material quality and a more refined finish than previous generations. Soft touch surfaces in key areas, improved seat fabric, and cleaner dashboard lines all contribute to a more pleasant driving environment. The seating position is comfortable and upright, making long drives less tiring and daily commutes more relaxed. Rear seat space remains one of the Sunny's strongest points, offering generous legroom and headroom for passengers, which is especially important for families and ride-sharing use. The dashboard design in the 2026 Sunny reflects Nissan's move toward simplicity combined with modern technology. A larger infotainment display sits at the center, offering easy access to navigation, media, and smartphone connectivity. The system is responsive and intuitive, ensuring that drivers can focus on the road without unnecessary distractions. Physical buttons and knobs are still present for essential functions, which many drivers appreciate for their ease of use. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, providing all essential driving information at a glance. Under the hood, the 2026 Nissan Sunny continues its tradition of efficient and reliable performance. The engine options are designed to deliver smooth power delivery and excellent fuel economy rather than outright speed. This makes the Sunny ideal for city driving, where responsiveness and efficiency matter most. Acceleration is steady and predictable, and the car feels composed in traffic and on highways alike. The transmission is tuned for comfort, offering seamless shifts that contribute to a relaxed driving experience. Fuel efficiency remains a major highlight of the 2026 Sunny. Nissan has fine-tuned the engine and drivetrain to ensure lower fuel consumption, making it an economical choice in a time when running costs matter more than ever. Whether used for daily commuting, family errands, or commercial purposes, the Sunny helps keep fuel expenses under control without sacrificing practicality. This efficiency also aligns with Nissan's broader efforts to reduce emissions and promote more environmentally responsible vehicles. On the road, the 2026 Nissan Sunny feels stable and easy to drive. The suspension is set up to absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smooth ride even on less than perfect roads. Steering is light and precise, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. While it is not designed as a sporty sedan, the Sunny offers confident handling that feels safe and predictable, which is exactly what most drivers in this segment look for. Safety has received noticeable attention in the 2026 model. Nissan has equipped the Sunny with an improved set of safety features aimed at protecting both passengers and pedestrians. Standard safety systems include multiple airbags, anti-lock braking, electronic stability control, and traction control. Depending on the market and variant, advanced driver assistance features may also be available, such as lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and emergency braking support. These technologies work quietly in the background to enhance driver confidence and overall safety. Practicality is where the 2026 Nissan Sunny truly shines. The trunk offers ample space for groceries, luggage, or daily work equipment, making it suitable for a wide range of uses. The rear seats can accommodate adults comfortably, and the overall cabin layout ensures that